Hey there everybody, it's markcrilley. Most of you are probably familiar by now with my book, The Realism Challenge, that came out a couple of years ago, but I wanted to show you the German edition. I won't try to pronounce what it is in German. I think I would fail spectacularly, but the incredible thing is this is a hardcover book. Even the original book was published in softcover. The German publisher went ahead and did a full-blown hardcover edition. And I'm so grateful to them for doing that. It's the first time a foreign edition of my book has ever been published in hardcover. So there you go. There's the photo, and there's the illustration. But that's not the real reason that I'm doing this video. I want you guys to post some questions for my next Q&A video. It's been far too long since I did one. I'm going to be doing one this Friday. So go ahead and post your questions in the comments section. Any questions you want to, including silly ones that I can answer in the lightning round. And that's about it, folks. You know what to do. Go ahead and post those in the comments section. I'll be reading through them, picking my favorite ones, and I look forward to bringing you that Q&A video this Friday. And that's real soon. And who's making noise over here? Who's making noise over here?